the AI informed, to answer the second part of your question, there are all kinds of there's all kinds of investing where that's appropriate, right? And I keep using the example of global macro because that's not something that AI is able to do. You're not going to have a geopolitical decision occur and then have some AI system accurately determine economic fallout, like multi-region economic fallout. Like it's not going to be able to tell that Putin's going to invade the Ukraine, and it's not going to be able to tell you, okay, so I think he's going to invade, and I think this is what will happen in every market everywhere on the planet. It's awful at that. It doesn't understand context. It doesn't understand nuance. There's no pattern that it would recognize in that. So that's an area in which you're really looking for years of focused human experience, manage like building expertise